Hello, everyone. This is Terry and Prince, and it's a brisk Monday morning. It was 58 degrees when I woke up, but I am proud of all the work I did over the weekend, despite the storms. But it is set to get even cooler. Can you believe it's going to be 49 this week? And last time I checked, it was still August. So, anyway, I want to go over some things that I did, because I did a lot. And I enjoyed it so much. I did a lot of repots, and here's a couple of them right here. This is a Borinjana, Cattleya Borinjana or Gloriente, and that is, I don't know what it is, I lost the tag, but it's a Cattleya type, a Brassavola type, well, both of them are Cattleya types. I fertilized great. One thing I want to say is thank you, my buddy Josh, for saving this Nemoria Wallacei, because I was stubborn and thinking that I had already repotted it. And I was moving it and it fell right out of the pot. And what was inside of the pot was yucky mud. So I instantly repotted it in fresh media. And it is, I'm sure, all the more better for it. Did so many repots. I repotted my Bourbon, and I also repotted this Eranthes Ramosa, as well as this Phalaenopsis venentii, which has survived death. My epidendrum cross is really going busters. There's another two spikes back there that I've already pointed out in previous videos. Also, this is a Phalaenopsis gigantea cross, and those two spikes are developing very nicely. As I said, I repotted. These are my two epidendrums. Well, that's a Colostylus ciliare, and this is a ciliare cross. And you've seen that video of my Silogeny that I repotted, as well as my Cattleya. And I also did some mounts as well. And I'm going to do this one next. Take this off of this. This is my Encyclia Marina. But yeah, I did a lot of repots and mounts. And thank you, Josh, for guiding me in that direction and helping me out. Yeah, I repotted this. This is my Amicta. And there's a lot of them around. So, and there's lots coming, folks. Lots coming. My Galliandra's looking beautiful. And there's still spikes this. I think it's arachnopause. And of course, here's my gongora. But I know I'm missing some things. But that's okay. I'll show them as I see them. But for now, folks, thanks for watching.